Hi all, it's Wednesday again and Loendi live. And like usual, the normal papers, the normal information I would like to share with you. So how did it go? How was your business going? I just started something new and I updated my Facebook. And I thought it might be good if I share it with my group and with the people who's trying to make money online. Well, it's not easy. Looking at my friends, looking at the feedbacks from groups, I learned something. And this I didn't learn today. This is a while already. If you don't take action, if you don't move on, and you wait for things to happen, you will never, never be successful. We have to give up something. We have to sacrifice things. And this is so true. I've learned do it the hard way. Work hard and forget about all the nice things. One day I will have time for that. But it's not easy. And as we said before, just when you think it's never going to work, you're never going to make it, you might be just on the edge of the top of the cliff. Just take that next little step and push, and you might have done everything correctly. And there you are, successfully made it to the top of the mountain. So today, I'm going to talk about Facebook. If you want to use Facebook, you can use Facebook to advertise, not paying advertisement, but there's billions of people in Facebook every week. And if you say your clients are not there, it's not their problem. They are there. You must just show them your Facebook page, your service, and what you want them to buy from you. But remember, we said we're not selling our products. We're giving them a solution and we suggest to them what will work for them. They will make the decision if they want to buy our service or products. So looking at Facebook, the first thing that I saw on Facebook, let me just change here. I'm looking at the other computer. So Facebook, like an email, like a video on YouTube, you have to hook people. You have to get their attention and you have 1 or 2 seconds to do it, or they scroll on to somebody else. So you have to have a catching phrase on Facebook, not too many words, not too long. It must be catchy. I just started my Facebook today and I didn't start the Facebook, I revamped it because I'm already a long time on Facebook and I just revamped my Facebook pages. So let me just get all the stuff here. So what I did on Facebook, I made sure I will track their attention. So why are you all here? Because you want to make money online. And I found the solution to add an additional income to whatever you do in the next 90 days. And it's really true. It's working. If you take action, you can make your income in the first 90 days. So what I did, my avatar is I help professionals and to make an extra income in the next 90 days without the tech headaches, as I told you guys. I am fed up with things getting to me and I don't know how it works, where to search and what to do. So this is why I want to help you guys not to be in the same situation. Because giving up is very easy when you get frustrated and you don't know what to do. So the first thing, as I mentioned, your little hooking sentence. You can make 10K online. You can have special something or get a free training, anything that can hook the clients. So there must be something. And on Facebook, don't make it overcrowded and don't make it too empty. Your picture will tell the story. I like to use my own picture and use myself. It shows that I'm not ashamed of me. I show my face, and whatever I train them or show them, I'm proud of who I am. So make sure you use your picture effectively on Facebook. Now, if we go to the intro, most people on the side of Facebook, you will see there's a little intro about you. Now, most people like to fill every little thing in, and I find it's too much. In the intro, you should say at least where you're from or where you live, not the complete address, just like I'm from Riyadh in Saudi Arabia, and I'm not giving my complete address. Furthermore, I can give maybe the website if I want you to go to my website or my YouTube. I can also mention if I have a lot of followers, how many followers I have, and then one call to action. I want you to join my Facebook group, or I want you to join my one-to-one coaching. And if I now put links to Twitter, to Instagram, to Pinterest, you confuse the people going to your Facebook. And your clients, once they're confused, it's easy to say no. I'm not searching further, too confusing. Which click is the right click? So make sure that you have one call to action. On your heading, your Facebook banner, one call to action. Join now, start now, click here, and then on the side, you give them the one link and the one action. So this is very important when you go to Facebook, and make sure you talk to your customers. You must find their pain points, and this we did already in our previous trainings. So if you find their pain points, you must be able to make suggestions, to tell them where to find the answers, what solutions can work for them, where should they go. I have, for instance, a step-by-step program that I will put up on Facebook. But I don't put up everything at the same time. I have a one-to-one coaching. But if I just put all those stuff out, people will not know where should I start. Which one is first? Should I first have a coaching call? Should I first do the education online? Should I then go to the step-by-step training? Can you understand what I'm trying to tell you? Don't be overwhelming your clients. Make it simple, make it easy and understandable. And that's why I'm calling my group the Simple Affiliate Marketing, because it can be overwhelmed. It can be a lot to understand. If you don't know anything, like me, I talk from my experience. No tech. I don't even know how to add all this, especially with the social media. I grew up without social media. I can tell you, I've learned a lot since I started. I don't want to make it different. So once we have our Facebook sorted and we have our attraction and we have our call to action, that's when we will get people signing up to our group or our club or whatever we call it. Now we have to make sure we give them value, because people are searching for something, and we must know exactly what to give back, what to suggest, how to make sure we can lift the pain points of our clients. So I hope you understand. This was a short and sweet discussion, but I thought it's important, because when I go through Facebook, look at other people's Facebook profiles, their banners, and make sure that you look for the right things and see people with a lot of engagement, people with a lot of followers. See what's different in their Facebook banner, in their Facebook profile. Why do people like them? What do they do differently from what you do? And that's how I learned with my Facebook page. And I have a great mentor teaching me all about using Facebook. And what we know about Facebook, use your private profile. Because if you want organic traffic, this is where the people are coming to. You can have a business account, but Facebook, what do you think? You have to pay to play on your business account. And we're not doing any paid traffic, and we're not paying for Facebook to play on Facebook. So make sure your profile is open. Your profile is simple, but attractive enough to keep your clients coming back to you, asking questions and engaging. So now I want to ask you, can you please put questions? Anyone, anything that you want to know below this video? And I will come back to you. I'm planning a Zoom call with all of you in the next 2 weeks. I will let you know and see you next time. Have a great week.